How to order groceries online from the Whole Foods market. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a simple tutorial in order to do so and be able to do it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. If you want to order it, what we can do is we can go to Amazon first of all. So what we need to do is we need to go to Amazon.com and log in with your account if you're not logged in, because Whole Foods online orders are handled through Amazon itself. So once we open up the Amazon application or our website, we just need to go over and search for Whole Foods. So go ahead and search for Whole Foods and hit enter, and it will lead us to this market available here. So what we can do is we can just go over and on this space right here, we can choose up a delivery address. We can add up your zip or your postal code available here and click on apply and go ahead and tap on done, and it should accordingly provide us with the Whole Food section here. So you can just go over and follow out this process, and you can browse through different categories available here, such as fruits, vegetables, dairy products, etc. And once you find the specific product that you would like to purchase, you can look out for the option called add to cart and go ahead and add that product into your cart that you want. And you can proceed with the checkout option by clicking on the checkout option in the top, and you can review out the items and go ahead and choose up a delivery option and confirm and pay it up, and your groceries will now arrive or be ready for pickup. And that's it. The orders are fully minimized or fully controlled by Amazon itself, and you will be getting notification or tracking updates once your checkout is done. So usually this is how you should be able to do it and order groceries online from the Whole Foods market. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.